Okay, in this video I'm going to go over using the Visual Composer. Now the Visual Composer can help you quickly build layouts using a drag and drop method, inserting images and text and things like that. For example, if we look at our services page, we can see a quick setup that we created using the Visual Composer. Now the Visual Composer is a third-party plugin. We didn't create it, so I'm not going to go over every single element or cover everything that it does. There's plenty of information available on the web to you to find out more information on this. We can only help you if there's a bug or something that's being caused by this, by Visual Composer, that is. So if you have questions about what does what or how it does that, then you'll have to address that to the people who create this, which is WP Bakery. Alright, so let's dive in real quick. What we see here is a quick little page that I made just for the purpose of this video, and it's a little bit generic. We have 4 columns, we have an image in there. Alright, so if I come to the back end, and then I'll see what we normally see when we're making pages or sections in WordPress. We got the standard WYSIWYG editor. We can enter our information, our text, and use these elements right here to do that. But if you look up here, you'll see back-end editor, and that's for using Visual Composer. And if I click that, now I get an entirely different view. Now the straightforward way, at least to explain it, is we can drag and drop all these different elements that I've created. So in my test, we see the images down here, right? I can change position by doing this, and then update it. And if I refresh, what I'll end up getting is now the image is on top and the text is on the bottom, right? Okay. And then to add elements, we can click the plus here, or we can click, the plus in each individual section, or in here to make a new section. So if I click this plus, I get this big list of items that I can use, that I can play with. And again, I'm not going to go over all these. You could do trial and error, or find some tutorials on what does what with this. So for instance, if I want to add some text or a text block, I can click this. Then I'm going to get a little pop-up box. Okay, and then just like your regular editor, you can see all your normal stuff. You can add text, you can insert images, you can choose an animation. So, if you want your content to slide in, for instance, let's say left to right. Let me duplicate this a couple times. Okay, I can also hit design options, and I can create different spacing of the elements as well, which is great. I'll save that, and then here we are. A little weird looking, right? I'll create a column, and I'll split it up. I know this is fast, but again, I'm just doing a quick overview of what you can work with here. Okay, so here we go. And there we go. So really easy to work with. You can insert all sorts of elements, including elements that come with the theme. Okay, hope that helps you.